Welcome to today's lesson. We're glad to have you here as we explore how to talk about time in English. Understanding how to express time is an essential skill for everyday conversations, whether you're making plans, scheduling appointments, or simply telling someone when something happened. Throughout this lesson, we'll cover key vocabulary, common phrases, and practical examples to help you communicate about time clearly and confidently. Let's get started and discover the different ways you can talk about time in English. In this section, students engage in a lively classroom conversation to practice discussing daily routines and telling the time. They ask each other questions such as, "What time do you wake up?" and "When do you eat breakfast?" Answers vary, with some students responding, "I wake up at 7 o'clock," while others say, "I eat breakfast at 8. Through these exchanges, learners become more comfortable expressing their schedules and understanding time-related vocabulary. This interactive approach helps reinforce both speaking and listening skills in a practical context. By sharing their routines, students also gain insight into each other's habits and cultural differences. Amina wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. By 7, she is already preparing breakfast for her family. After eating, she leaves the house at 7:30 to catch the bus. At 8 o'clock, she arrives at work and starts her day. Throughout the morning, she manages her tasks efficiently, making sure to finish important emails before 10. By 11:30, she takes a short break to recharge. Each time expression marks a different part of Amina's busy morning, showing how she organizes her time. In this section, we will explore essential vocabulary related to time and daily activities. Words like morning, afternoon, and evening help us describe different parts of the day. Phrases such as wake up, go to work, and have lunch are commonly used when talking about daily routines. Understanding terms like clock, schedule, and appointment can make it easier to discuss plans and organize tasks. By learning these words and expressions, you'll be better equipped to communicate about your everyday life and manage your time more effectively. Exploring word families is a helpful way to expand your vocabulary, especially when discussing time, daily routines, and actions. For example, the word wake leads to related words like awake, waking, and woken. Similarly, eat connects to eating, eaten, and eats. When talking about time, words such as morning, afternoon, and evening are part of the same family, each describing different parts of the day. By recognizing these patterns, you can more easily understand and use new words in context. This approach makes it simpler to describe your daily activities and routines with greater precision. As we reach the end of this lesson, take a moment to recognize how far you've come. Every step forward is an achievement worth celebrating. Learning is a journey, and your dedication has brought you closer to your goals. Remember, progress is built one day at a time, and each new skill opens the door to even greater possibilities. Stay curious, keep practicing, and continue exploring new challenges. Your commitment to growth will lead to lasting success. We look forward to seeing all that you accomplish as you continue your learning adventure.